Can you find the number of mangoes John should give Hellen so as to have equal number of mangoes? The question says Johnny has 43 mangoes and Hellen has 17 mangoes. How many mangoes does Hellen need from John so that they have equal number of mangoes? You can do by yourself, and then we are going to work together step by step. Welcome back. The first thing, we are going to find the total number of mangoes they have together. 43 and Hellen has 17. So the total, this is equal to 43 plus 17. We are going to get 60 mangoes. This is the total mangoes they have all together. Second, let us divide the number of mango they have together by 2. So we are going to take 60 divided by 2. We are going to get 30 mangoes. So each one should get 30 mangoes. By now, John has 43 and Hellen has 17. So amount of mango that Hellen need from John, we are going to take 43, take away 30 mangoes. We will get 13 mangoes. So John should give Hellen 13 mangoes. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on whole numbers, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.